The meaning of independence for me is not some hi fi mumbo jumbo. It's the feeling of freedom, literally. My name is Nishant and I trade in crypto. I'll tell you why. In college, I had a rundown scooter which I did love a lot. But then, a bike is a bike. Education costs money, and my parents were anyways paying for that. I didn't want to nag them with another request that their favorite son wanted a new bike. So I started researching about crypto, and with a little help from my friends, I began trading. A few months passed, and then I had a surprise for everyone. My first bike, bought from my very own earnings, made my parents very proud. This experience has taught me one very important lesson. Your true independence is in making independent choices. I made mine. When are you starting?
Cryptocurrency is an unregulated digital asset, not a legal tender, and subject to market risks and price fluctuation risks.